about Moe's, you say, "Can I have extra chips, please?" And they're like, "Yeah." No money added to the charge.
Ooh, this is a video?
Yeah.
If you ask for extra chips.
Yeah, if you ask for extra chips, they're free.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You didn't know that? You got a stack.
I kinda get two actually, not gonna lie. So it was like one of like, I just had to get all that stress out. Oh yeah. Like stacks are the way to go. This is the only thing I've ever gotten here. I've never had a burrito.
Really? Yeah.
I'm trying to eat my chip, you know, I was dripping everywhere because your freaking table is like...
Oh! They don't have to pay like, they don't have to pay that amount of money. Like there's 4
Yeah. Oh my god.
Linkmon99 is a scammer.
I didn't know why.
Scammer.
Oh yeah, that's the real Linkmon.
All I did was ask for another free chips and they gave it to me. I didn't scam anyone. Okay.
Oh, Linkmon, what is
that? A weed symbol?
Oh.
Do these look cool or stupid? Do these look cool or really dumb?
$200
I'm guessing they look retarded.
Do you want the honest answer or do you want the fun answer?
The honest. Alright, here we go. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and put on your glasses. Oh yeah, step 1 complete. 2. Install the latest version of Snapchat. Oh, I'm pre-installed.
Oh, it's spinning. All right, it's spinning. I like it.
Oh, what's
I like
going
it.
on?
Continue.
That's pretty cool. Okay, that's cool.
No, wait,
Welcome to Moe's. Alright, now I'm using the bathroom. Hey.
I like it.
They did that because of people complaining on Google Glass that it's creepy. Okay, this will be my chance. Get ready. Okay. It didn't work. I'm sorry. You can have I'll find another clip of me doing it.
Here's Linkmon99 breaking the Wendy's soda machine.
So first you go to Sprite. That's just how we always do it. You go.
You gotta press harder.
Allow me. Oh.
He pressed like really.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Okay. And there we go. See, now it's broken.
So as you can see, it says how much soda is in each one.
Yeah.
And
You just click on consumer review.
you can make it Chinese.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Go to consumer review. There you go. And he fixed it. Oh. Linkmon99 tutorial.
You can have it in your video.
Hey! It says some. Oh, that doesn't matter.
Dysfunctional. No, they're good. They helped me record a piss for the doctor's sample.
How was the stack?
How is the stack? Oh yeah, the stack. It's pretty good, but I'm not sure if I like. Now I have 3 options. Before it was hard enough picking between the burrito and the quesadilla, but now I have to pick between the burrito, the quesadilla, and the stack.
How many meme points would you
How many
reward the
meme
stack?
points?
How many
The
meme
stack
points?
was like an 8 out of 10.
8 of 10?
I'll
I'll give
Yeah.
it 9.
9.
9.
This
9.
kid's like a high rater. He rates
I'd give it an 8.
everything high. He has no
I get
idea
it
what
every
good
single
stuff
time.
is.
I get it every single time I come to Moe's.
That's a
every
good
single
reason
time.
for a 9.
Well, then you try something else.
Well, then I'll give it 11. And he has to give it a 9.
11 out of 10.
And I gave it 11.
A 9 out of 11?
He gave it a 9, I gave it 11. Guys, watch this.
Wow, it's so funny, Tommy. That was so funny, Tommy.
Alright.
Mock me.
Yeah.